The power of micro-exercises. How small movements throughout the day boost health. Think you need to hit the gym for a good workout? Think again. Micro-exercises, small, simple movements done throughout the day, can make a big difference in your health. From standing up and stretching every hour to doing a few squats while you work, these little bursts of activity keep your muscles engaged and your metabolism fired up. The best part? Micro-exercises are easy and fun to fit into your day. Whether you're walking around the house, doing calf raises while you cook, or squeezing in a few push-ups, these small changes can improve your energy, boost mood, and keep you active, even on the busiest days. Start today and feel the difference.
Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more health tips.